Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting. I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my favorite products, be it hair care, skin care, makeup, all of the mix. So it's going to be a mix of all of these products that I have loved and enjoyed using, and I definitely want to recommend it to you guys as well. So let's start with the video. So the first product that we're going to be talking about is this. This is the body lotion from Bath and Body Works. So I have always mentioned how I'm a very big fan of the Bath and Body Mist, Bath and Body products as well, and I swear by their body lotions because this gives you a 24-hour lock, moisture lock, which is very essential during winters, during summers as well, because we feel that summers aren't body lotions aren't necessary for summers, but it is very necessary because I am going through a period wherein I'm having extremely dry skin problem at the moment, and not only for dry skin but for sensitive or all types of skin types, moisturizing your body is equally very necessary, not just your face. And that is exactly why I recommend Bath and Body body lotions, because I really feel that the moisture content percent is very good. It lasts you throughout 24 hours, and you don't have to constantly reapply your lotions, and it keeps your body moisturized and hydrated throughout the day. So again, Bath and Body Works is on a little bit of expensive side, so if you are looking out for something more affordable, then I would definitely recommend to you guys the Dot and Key body lotions, because they are equally very good. This is the vitamin C plus E super bright body lotion, which has niacinamide, also gives you visibly glowing skin and deeply nourishes your body as well. But yes, this doesn't give you the 24-hour moisture lock, and you'll have to reapply once again for the whole day in order to keep your body moisturized and hydrated throughout the day. But still, this is at a very affordable rate, and this is on the cheaper side compared to Bath and Body Works. So talking about body lotions, we constantly forget to moisturize our palms and hands, especially because we're constantly washing our hands, we are using constantly we wash utensils, cook, or do something or the other, and the body lotion goes away within 2 to 3 washes. And that is exactly why using a hand cream is very necessary, because your palms have extremely sensitive and dry skin and can tend to also shed off skin, which I am personally facing at this moment, because of which I swear by a good hand cream, because hand creams are something that you have to constantly reapply over and over again. That is exactly why I love using this one from Wow. This is a citrus body butter. This actually came in complimentary after purchasing 2 to 3 products, I guess. But the quality of the hand cream is very good, and I personally love using this hand cream because we have to constantly reapply something, and this is extremely affordable as well. So next product that I'm going to be talking about is this. This is the M Caffeine coffee body polishing oil. So this is basically a polishing oil that can be used post your shower routine. Whenever you have to step out of the house, you can apply 10 to 15 minutes before. This gives you that perfect moisture, this gives you the perfect glow and the perfect highlighted look that you want. So this is something that you can apply all over your body. This also has various other properties which are extremely good for your skin, and that is exactly why I love this body polishing oil. So you should definitely check it out. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is not for skincare or body, but obviously it is a very essential product, which is a hair removal cream or hair removal spray. I personally used to use a lot of hair removal creams in the past, using a lot of YouTube videos and listening to a lot of different creators, but somehow using a hair removal cream wasn't something that was benefiting me personally really well, because first of all, it takes a lot of time, and second, it is literally a task, and the fragrance in itself is very strong for your nose and just irritates you, and it just spreads out all over in the washroom as well. So it is not something that I was really happy with, and not that I have just sworn by one product. I have tried multiple creams, hair removal creams, but nothing sort of suited me. So that is when I decided to go and get into hair removal sprays and give it a try. and that is when I came across this one. This is a hair removal spray from Urban Yo. This is slightly expensive, but also the quantity that comes along is very good. I guess this is for 554 rupees. I found this on Amazon India, and it is a very good product. It works really well and doesn't even give you any irritation, rashes, or no such problems. The fragrance itself, I wouldn't say that there is no fragrance. Yes, there is fragrance, but it is so much more better than the other creams that are available in the market. I feel those creams have an extremely strong odor which is not bearable at all. This is comparatively so much more better. Always do a patch test before using the product, because what works for me might not work for you. If everything works well for you, you should definitely give this one a try. This is from Urban Yo. Now talking about skincare, this is one such sunscreen that I have started recently using, and this one has been recommended by a lot of different creators. I've seen so many people using it. So this one is from Dot & Key. This is their Line Rush Swim Plus Sports Sunscreen. So this is perfect for people who go for a gym, who go for workouts, who go for yoga or any other fitness activity, swimming, beat anything. Need to use is something like this. So sunscreen is something that can be that has to be reapplied obviously, but while we go in we sweat a lot, and when we sweat we tend to lose out the sunscreen. But this is something, this is water resistant for 180 minutes, which is equivalent to 2 hours, which is more than enough, because all of our workouts might last for 2 hours and then we can obviously reapply this product. But I really that is exactly why I love this one, because this has SPF 50 in it and is also very runny. It doesn't leave any sort of white cast and sits beautifully on your skin. Next product that I'm going to be talking about is lip balms. Lip balms are a very essential part, especially for me, because I swear by lip balms. I constantly want lip balms, and I am as much as I'm staying away from makeup, lip balms are something that I regularly and rigorously use every single day, especially when we go for fitness and all things. And that is when I came across this one. This is again from this one is from Hyphen. This is their VIP lip balms. I've heard so much about this product and I had to check it out. I've also done a detailed review about the product on my Instagram reel, which I would be mentioning in the description box, so do check that out as well. Next product that I'm going to be recommending from the lip balm series is again from Dot & Key. As you can see, Dot & Key has become my all-time favorite skincare and body care product, because I really feel that they work a lot of their formulations, and the kind of products that they bring out is also very good. This is their Barrier Repair Ceramide Plus Peptide Lip Balm. I received this in the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and trust me, this is my second lip balm and it works really well during the winter seasons as well as for summer seasons. This also gives you very nude sort of. This is in the shade Warm Nude, so the kind of effect that it leaves on your lips is that perfect brown or nude glossy look that you wanted. Talking about Dot & Key, again I tried their lip plumping mask, which has vitamin C plus E. This I bought from their recent sale that they had. So this is equally very good. This is perfect during night time, so if you apply it around at night, you get that pink tinted look, but also it helps in plumbing your lips a lot. It looks very beautiful the very next day when you get up. You see the kind of effect that it leaves on your lips. So yeah, you can definitely check that out as well. And obviously it comes with a spatula for easy application. Now talking about makeup, I haven't brought in a lot of makeup, but this is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. So I absolutely love Lakme lipsticks, and this one again I got at a very decent price at Nykaa. So this is also very good. The color that it leaves on is beautiful. It is perfect for everyday looks as well, and this is again my second or third purchase of this lipstick. It also has a lot of different varieties. You get the perfect warm or nude colors that you wanted. Also you have so many different variety and range of colors available in the same collection that you would definitely go ahead and purchase more of it. Thing about makeup comes in foundation. This one is the Viral foundation, which is their Lumi Matte foundation, which stays up to 30 hours. I'm in the shade 128. This also has SPF 16 in it. So this is the Viral foundation that you might have seen almost all creators, all celebrities use this one, because this is actually very, very light on your skin. It actually looks like skin. I have also done a detailed review on this foundation as well. You can definitely check it out on my Instagram reels as well. And yeah, the kind of impact that it leaves on your skin is very, very beautiful. Again, the last product in the makeup section that I would like to recommend is this one. This is the makeup setting spray from Rene. So this is their makeup fix, and I remember I had shown this product in the Nykaa Print Friday sale while I had unboxed this one, and I haven't tried at that point, but after that I've used this for multiple occasions, and trust me, this helps to stay your makeup on for a very, very long time. It is a very, very good product at a very decent price as well. So do check this one out. Out of all of the other setting sprays I've seen, this is the one which was the most affordable, yet a very good product. So you can definitely check this one out. If you are very new to makeup and you want to get a good setting spray, I would highly recommend this one from Rene. Now talking about hair care, this one product I've been recently using a lot. This one is from Love Beauty and Planet. This is their argan oil and lavender, which is a sulfate free shampoo, which is so important nowadays. We are so careful about the kind of products that we use, so having a sulfate free shampoo is equally very, very important, and this helps in smoothing your hair and is very, very good for frizzy hair as well. So as you can see, I have like extremely curly hair. For for all those bad hair days, just to avoid those days, I would highly recommend this product. As you can see, I'm almost about to finish this one up, but I've heard so many good reviews and I finally decided to check it out. It is very, very good, a very mild shampoo that doesn't have any adverse effect on your hair as well, and also helps in preventing hair fall. So if you are looking out for hair fall issues or dandruff issues or oily scalp issues, definitely check out the Love Beauty and Planet series. They have like a lot of different collections out there. So yeah, that was it for this week's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. This were all of my recommendations, but if you were someone who had still put it in your wish list and were planning to get on to more reviews or wanted that one sign as to buy it off, I am over here giving you the permission to go ahead and check it out, because these products are very, very good and at a very decent and affordable price, so that you don't have to spend a lot of money and still find good and quality products. So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys enjoyed, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I would be very, very grateful. Also do follow me on Instagram. I post in a lot of different videos, reviews, and a lot of amazing and interesting videos on Instagram that you would definitely love, and I will see you very, very soon. Till then, bye bye.